This is my go-to method for cooking green beans. The green beans are great cooked alone with chicken broth, salt, and pepper, or you can add bacon and potatoes. If you're adding bacon, chop or cut it into your skillet or Dutch oven and fry until crisp. Then add a cup of broth along with the beans and your potatoes if you're adding those. Then cover and bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, and you're ready to serve these simple, savory green beans. Thanks for watching.